Getting started with investing can feel like a big step, and understanding the fees is a crucial part of the journey. For users of micro-investing platforms like Raiz, the fee structure changes significantly as your account balance grows. Knowing when those changes happen is key to making sure your hard-earned money is working for you, not just covering costs. Here's the breakdown. Raiz uses what's called a tiered fee system, and it generally switches from a fixed monthly fee to a percentage-based annual fee once your balance hits a certain threshold. For most basic portfolios, when your balance is under the set limit, which is currently around $26,000 for the regular plan or $28,000 for the plus plan, you pay a fixed monthly maintenance fee. For example, the regular plan charges about $5.50 per month. This flat fee is where new investors need to be cautious. If you only have a small balance, say $1,000, that $5.50 a month eats up a large percentage of your balance annually, making your effective fee rate quite high. But this changes for the better as your balance grows. Once your account balance crosses that specific threshold, for example, $26,000 for regular, the fixed monthly fee drops away. You then move to an annual account fee that is a percentage of your total balance. This is where the math shifts in your favor. The percentage is typically quite low, around 0.275% per year. When your balance is large, say $50,000, 0.275% works out to be a smaller proportional drag on your portfolio compared to the flat monthly fee you were paying when your balance was low. So, the rule of thumb is this: at low balances, Raiz fees represent a high percentage of your total investment. As your balance crosses the trigger point, the effective fee percentage drops dramatically, making it much more cost-effective for larger portfolios. Always check the latest product disclosure statement on the Raiz website, as the exact dollar thresholds and fees can change. But understanding this shift from a fixed dollar amount to a percentage is essential for every Raiz investor.